Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a no stamping card because we're going to be using a couple of the ephemera packs. We have the Something for Everything, Labels and Layers, and Saying Something ephemera packs. And we're also going to be using the exposed brick 3D embossing folder on our project today. So before we get started, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Autumn Abundance Stampin' Up paper pumpkin kit. It makes 9 cards. It has a Cajun Craze stamping spot. And you do have the opportunity to purchase the Every Celebration Dies add-on if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. It is a set of 3 dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, but you can use it for anything. The item number is 164991. $12 is the cost, and it is while supplies last. A link in the description box for the paper pumpkin kit if you're not already a subscriber. Next, we have our designer series paper sale going on for the month of August. 14 packs of the paper in the annual catalog are 15% off. You can go to my blog and look for this flyer, or go to stampinup.com and look for the papers that are on sale this month. We have our bonus days redeem promotion going on. So if you earned any bonus days coupons last month, now is the time to redeem those. You should have gotten an email from Stampin' Up with your coupon codes in it if you spent $50 or more before shipping and tax last month. And this is our host code for the month of August. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project. I'm going to let you know all the things that I have. So I have a couple of pieces here from our ephemera packs that I told you about. We have 4 pieces. We're going to be using these cute little pieces here. Then we have some basic black. We have one that is 5/8 by 2 9/16. We have one that is 1 7/8 by 2 5/16. And then we have one that is 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. We have some basic white that is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. We have some wild wheat that is 1 3/4 by 2 3/16. Then our card base is going to be wild wheat, 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And then we have our inside. This is just some basic black that is 5 by 3 3/4. And I've gone ahead and adhered some basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And we're just going to put this on the inside of our card. Just like that. Okay. And before we get started on putting the rest of the card together, I'm going to get this little butterfly here and my, what is this? Light Pool Party Stampin' Blend. And I'm just going to add a little bit of color to this butterfly around the edges of the wings there. And then these little pieces in the middle, just like that. That is it. Then I'm going to take a black Stampin' Blend. Oh, yeah, I should get some of my grid paper here, because I am going to be doing some flicking or tapping. Oh, I think of my black Stampin' Blend. The tip is kind of messed up onto this white piece. I'm just going to tap that. This is dark black. Yeah, it's dark black. I just want to get some little spots on here, and that's about it. Nothing else with that. Okay, and let me go ahead and use my bone folder to burnish this down since I have it out. Now we're going to do some embossing on this piece. I'm going to take our exposed brick folder, and I'm going to put our white cardstock inside. Get my Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine out here. Those are my plates. Here's the machine. Plate 1, your folder with the fold going that way, and plate number 4. Run it through. Okay, so this is what we have here. And I never know which side I like. You can't even hardly see the black clicking. Okay, but that's okay. So we're going to adhere this to our basic black piece. So let's go ahead and do that. Man, I thought that black was going to show up better, but I guess this embossing folder is so texturized, it kind of hides the black flecks. Okay, so we have that on there, and we're going to put this on the front of our card. Get in these corners. Just going to sit that right in the center of our card. Ooh, okay. So now we're going to layer up some pieces here. Uh-oh. Almost. I'm going to put this piece from the ephemera pack from the Saying Something onto this basic black layer here. And some of these measurements could be, this is what I cut mine to, but you probably can cut yours differently. This is just what I did because I measured the tag, and I really didn't measure the tag. I just put the black on there and cut around it, around the tag, and then I measured the piece that I was finished with. So I'm just layering this wild wheat onto this basic black. Then I'm going to take this piece. Isn't this cute? This is like one of the little tags. It has a little beveled edge, not beveled, but jagged edge. And then this is why I wanted to put the black splatter on, because we have the black polka dots on this piece. So I was trying to just add that element in somewhere else, but you can't really see it. So we're going to have that like that. Now let's go ahead and glue this down to our card front. I'm going to put this not in the middle, more to the left than to the right, but almost in the middle. Okay, then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to get a dimensional on the back of this circle here. A dimensional or two. Yes, I think 2 is good. And we're going to put, so maybe I should put this down first, because I want the dimension, this to go over that. So let's lay this down, and I want a dimensional on this. Let's see, is that going to be, yeah, I need 2 dimensionals, maybe 3. Okay, so we're going to pop this on about right here. Then we're going to take our little circle, and we're going to put it, I wanted it about right here. Come on. I think I put my dimensionals in the wrong spot. Ooh. Okay. Then we're going to add this little butterfly about right there, just like that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of liquid glue. Maybe I should put a dimensional on that. Where are my minis? I got a mini dimensional. I'm going to put that on the back side of the wings, just one. Then I'm going to put some glue on the front side here. We're going to place that right there, like that. Okay, and then the last thing we have to do is add some bling to our card, and I have some retired in color dots. Oh, pulled the wrong sheet out. These are retired, but the in colors are still around. So until I finish this, I'm going to be using them. So I'm going to get some wild wheat here. Let's put one there. Maybe one right here. Then we'll do a small one right here. No, I don't want it on there because that's already popped up. So that is it. That is our card for today. What do you think? Isn't it cute? Nice and simple. I like it. Wish you could see those dots better. I probably should put it on the wild wheat, the splatter. That would have been cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.